right, who do we have here?
Brittany.
Gavin.
And what are we doing today?
We're gonna go skydiving.
All right, jumping out of planes with strangers. Ah! Why would we do that?
It sounds like a good idea.
Gotcha. Whose idea was it?
Mine.
Was your idea?
Yeah.
We could blame him?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, let's go have some fun. Go up really high, come down really fast.
Yeah.
You!
All I know is I'm blaming you.
This is an airplane. How do you feel now?
I'm a little nervous.
All right. It's okay to scream, but if I get too loud, tell me to be quiet. How do you feel?
I feel amazing!
Yeah! All right, we made it back to planet Earth.
We did.
How do you feel?
I feel amazing.
That's right.
So awesome.
What was your favorite part?
Actually jumping out of the airplane.
Gotcha.
That was amazing.
Would you do it again?
Absolutely.
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 What do you think of Skydive Colorado Springs?
It's incredible.
That's right, guys.
Oh,
We'll
yeah.
see you up in the sky.
Yeah.
Yee-hoo!